Hello guys, welcome back, and today we will do some problematic LHS and RHS. Morning I presented the sort in that I'll be explaining all the things and we'll continue with other question and answer. So my first question was the x cube plus y cube by x plus y plus x cube minus y cube by x minus y equal to 2x square plus y square. This is my LHS, this is my LHS, and this is my RHS. We have to prove LHS equal to RHS. Okay, RHS. Formula of a cube plus b cube is x plus y bracket x square minus xy plus y square. X cube minus y cube is x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. LHS. Okay, now we will be solving LHS. So x plus y formula is we have taken out. X cube plus y cube formula in the top we have written, same thing we'll put, plus x cube minus y cube formula we have done, we'll put over here. Now we'll cancel the common term. Common term is like this. This is x plus y and this is x plus y. This gets cancelled, and this is x minus y and this is x minus y. This gets cancelled. So x square minus xy plus y square plus x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 2x square plus 2y square. 2 common we have taken out the bracket, and x square plus y square. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This will come if you practice thoroughly. This formula in a cube plus b cube you have to learn it, and rest all is very easy. Our next question is a square minus b square by a square plus ab equal to a minus b by a. We have to prove it. Okay, there, or in simple word, LHS equal to RHS. We'll start solving. Okay, the a square minus b square is a minus b into a plus b. A square plus ab is, we have taken out a common and the bracket a plus b. We'll start with, this is our LHS we are solving. Okay, so a minus b into a plus b by a into a plus b. This a plus b goes, and what will be the answer? A minus b by a. This is LHS and this is RHS we have to prove. Okay, so therefore LHS equal to RHS proved. Not very tricky, but easy questions that definitely comes in exam. Our next question we have to prove x minus y whole square by x plus y plus 4xy by xy is equal to xy. We'll start solving. Please, we'll take out the LCM x plus y. That then x minus y whole square plus 4xy. What will be our next steps? A minus b whole square formula we have to write plus 4xy. Okay. Written a x square minus y whole square formula, x square plus y square minus 2xy plus 4xy by x plus y. So this is x plus y whole square plus 2xy by x plus y. Okay, this is this x plus y whole square plus 2xy is x plus y whole square. This goes this, then x plus y. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. This type of question definitely comes in exam, and if you keep practicing and all, okay, you got the thorough habit of solving the answer. We'll come with the next session, because this section is only for 3 minutes and I don't want to continue with much question and answers. We'll meet in next session with multiple questions. Thank you guys.